significant winter impacts expected tonight through Sunday. A winter weather advisory is in effect overnight through Sunday morning for portions of west central Wisconsin through southeastern Minnesota, specifically along and east of a line from Blue Earth to Faribault in Minnesota, continuing to River Falls and Bloomer in Wisconsin. Snowfall accumulations of up to around 2 inches, along with up to 1/10 of an inch of ice accretion, can be expected through Saturday morning. A stronger system is expected for Saturday night through Sunday, when accumulating snow plus blowing snow will impact travel, including blizzard conditions for much of southern and western Minnesota. A blizzard warning is in effect Saturday evening through Sunday afternoon south of a line from Appleton to Litchfield to Hastings, and west of the Interstate 35 corridor. This includes southern portions of the Twin Cities metro, away from more suburban areas. Within the blizzard warning, snow accumulations will range from 2 to 4 inches near the South Dakota border to 6 to 8 inches along Interstate 35. The snow is expected from late Saturday afternoon through the early morning hours Sunday, followed by strong winds of 25 to 35 miles an hour with gusts to near 50 miles an hour for most of the day Sunday. This could lead to whiteout conditions, making travel very difficult or impossible in the open areas of western, central, and southern Minnesota. A winter storm warning is in effect Saturday evening through Sunday afternoon east of line from Cumberland and New Richmond in Wisconsin, continuing to Cannon Falls in Minnesota. Within the winter storm warning, snow accumulations of 6 to 9 inches can be expected with localized higher amounts possible. The snow is expected Saturday evening through Sunday morning, followed by strong winds of 20 to 30 miles an hour with gusts to 40 miles an hour for most of the day Sunday. This may produce areas of blowing and drifting snow, making travel difficult for portions of far southeastern Minnesota into west central Wisconsin. The Twin Cities, Minnesota climate summary for this evening, as of 6 p.m., February 22nd, 2019. Today's high temperature of 27 degrees occurred at 11:08 a.m. Today's low temperature of 10 occurred at 8:23 a.m. No snow fell today. The normal high temperature for tomorrow is 32 degrees, and the normal low is 16. The record high for tomorrow is 59, which occurred in 1958, and the record low is -25, which occurred in 1889. Sunset tonight is at 5:51 p.m. Sunrise tomorrow is at 7:01 a.m. Now the forecast for the Twin Cities metropolitan area tonight. Snow likely in the evening, then snow, possibly mixed with freezing drizzle overnight. Snow accumulation of 1 to 2 inches. Near steady temperature in the mid-20s. East winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Chance of precipitation near 100%. Saturday, freezing drizzle, possibly mixed with snow in the morning, then snow likely, possibly mixed with drizzle and freezing drizzle in the afternoon. Little or no snow accumulation. Highs in the lower 30s. East winds 5 to 10 miles an hour, shifting to the northeast in the afternoon. Chance of precipitation 70%. Saturday night, breezy. Snow, possibly mixed with freezing drizzle in the evening, then snow likely overnight. Patchy blowing and drifting snow overnight. Snow accumulation of 3 to 5 inches. Lows in the lower 20s. North winds 10 to 15 miles an hour with gusts to around 30 miles an hour, increasing to northwest 15 to 25 miles an hour overnight. Chance of precipitation 90%. Sunday, colder, breezy. Mostly cloudy. A 20% chance of snow in the morning. Patchy blowing and drifting snow. Highs in the lower 20s. Temperatures falling into the mid-teens in the afternoon. Northwest winds 20 to 25 miles an hour with gusts to around 40 miles an hour. Sunday night, considerably colder. Mostly clear. Patchy blowing and drifting snow in the evening. Lows around 7 below. Northwest winds 10 to 20 miles an hour with gusts to around 35 miles an hour, decreasing to 5 to 10 miles an hour overnight. Lowest wind chills around 25 below. And now, the extended forecast. 30% chance of snow overnight. Lows around 5 below. Tuesday, cloudy with a 30% chance of snow. Highs around 14. Tuesday night, cloudy with a 40% chance of snow. Lows near 0. Wednesday, mostly sunny. Highs around 16. Wednesday night, partly cloudy. A 20% chance of snow overnight. Lows near 0. Thursday, partly cloudy. Highs around 19. Thursday night, mostly cloudy. A 30% chance of snow overnight. Lows around 9. Friday, partly cloudy with a 50% chance of snow. Highs in the mid-20s.